Hello, this is Mr. Marvin, and I will walk you through the simple steps in turning in your assignments in Google Classroom using your computer. If you have not signed in your Google account on your computer yet, you need to enter your Google credential, that is, your Gmail address. Then click Next. You can enter your password and click Next. Click the waffle in your Google Drive to access your Google Classroom. When your teacher assigns a quiz or an assignment in Google Classroom, it is posted on the Classroom stream along with its due date. You can also find the same assignment on your classwork page as well as its due date. You are also notified through your Gmail that an assignment was posted. When you access your assignment from your classwork page, you can find the instructions, the attached Google Docs, the rubrics and total points, and the due date. When you click your assignment, it opens to a Google Docs with your name on it. As soon as you complete your assignment on Google Docs, click the Turn In button. When your teacher grades your assignment, your grade is returned to you. You receive an email to notify you that your assignment is graded. You can find your score based on the rubrics, the comment if your teacher sent you one, and the status of your assignment, which is, in this case, graded. If in case you are not happy with your work and wish to improve your assignment score, you can redo your assignment in Google Docs, then click the Resubmit button. When you are assigned a quiz, you can also find it posted on the stream with its due date indicated. You can also find your quiz on your classwork page as well as through your Gmail as a notification. If your quiz is assigned as a Google Forms, click the link and complete the forms. Once you complete the forms, click the Submit button at the bottom of the forms. Since your response in Google Forms is not sent to Google Classroom, you need to click the Mark as Done button to notify your teacher that your quiz in Google Forms is completed. As soon as your teacher grades your quiz, your grade is returned to you. You receive an email to notify you that your quiz is graded. You can find your quiz score and the status of your quiz on your classwork page. You can send your teacher a private comment regarding your score, or you can resubmit your quiz. This is a tutorial by Mr. Marvin.